We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with TRKA stock doing a full transition from the rip area to the dip area here and hitting it again here in today's pre-market and continuing to fight to hold itself up above 18 cents. And TRKA stock was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 9:35 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of our growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with TRKA stock continuing to fight to hold support here, and we're going to talk about what's going on with the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of our growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 8:35 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see there popping up within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with TRKA stock doing a full transition from the rip area to the dip area yesterday, and today in the pre-market going from the dip area to dark green bars. The last piece that would have been missing if the strength continued would have been bright green bars, which is what I call the rip area on 42 vision. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with TRKA stock under a bull indicator on the 30-minute after getting a bear indicator up here at around the 24-cent area yesterday and doing a full transition from the rip area to the dip area down here towards the 16 to 17-cent area. And today it found support again at around the 17-cent area. So this is something to not ignore here. It hit the dip area in today's pre-market and bounced back up. And a bull indicator has popped up here at around the 19-cent area. And it's in this tight consolidation here between 18 cents to the 20-cent area. So outflows continue to dominate, and that is something to not ignore here. And if there's going to be any justification of further strength to the upside and this bull indicator continuing the staircase effect to the upside, with new resistance levels being tested, we want to see these inflows pick back up and cross the midpoint. I believe that's going to be critical and crucial here going into next week and going into Monday but a bear indicator has now been canceled by this bull indicator that popped up today. And we're going to talk about the key levels I would watch going into next week. So the first thing is, on the 1 hour, we want to keep in mind that right now the inflows are really close to the midpoint. They started picking up yesterday, and today they're right there near the midpoint, and it's going to be crucial for these inflows to pick back up and head towards the midpoint to start reflecting that strength into the charts and justifying any further strength up. And a bear indicator has popped up since way up here at around 22 cents, and here we are double dipping again. And could this be the double bottom before the next leg up? Well, we need to see these inflows pick up. It hit the dip area again here on 42 Vision today at around the 17 cent area, and it's been fighting here between 18 and 20 cents in today's volatility. Now, when we zoom in here to the 15-minute, it's under a bear indicator here at around 1946 to be exact, and the inflows are back over, guys. They did cross over in the middle of the day. The inflows are back over here in the after hours in the second half of the day, but it's something to not ignore here. If these inflows were to continue to pick up and reflect that strength into the charts, this bear indicator could possibly get canceled by a bull indicator. So we have a divergence forming here, but to justify any further strength, this bear indicator needs to get canceled by a possible bull indicator that has not popped up just yet. Now, let's talk about the key levels I would watch to the upside and to the downside. And the first thing is support, guys. The 1850 area is going to be critical. That's where things have bounced off in the middle of the day today here on the 30-minute and in the after hours. And if that gets crossed and these outflows continue lower, and same thing here on the 15-minute, they cross back down, it's going to be crucial and critical to watch that level. And below that, the next support is 17 cents. And then the next level below that I would watch very carefully is the 15 cent area. Now, to the upside, we want to go ahead and see here this bull indicator stay strong, hold true, start reflecting that strength into the charts, get these inflows back up to cross the midpoint, and same thing here on the 15-minute, continue above it, pushing upwards, canceling out this bear indicator from around 1946 area. And the first resistance is the 20 cent area, guys. That's going to be crucial and critical. And then above that, based off the history of the chart, when we zoom back out, is the 23 cent area. Those were the highs way back here in April. That's where things were actually kind of slowing down here recently before they went up to 27 cents. And that's where the rejection started really fast between the 23 and 24 cent area. So that's going to be crucial and critical. If this strength continues to the upside, we want to see these inflows pull up. And if we zoom out to the 1 hour, we could see those inflows really close to the midpoint. And it's going to be critical and crucial for these inflows to pick up and head towards the midpoint and cross it, so that strength can start to reflect pretty quickly into the chart. So I'm going to be watching very carefully these key levels to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators and these inflow versus outflows are crucial, as the 1 hour is really close. The 15-minute is above. It's going to be critical and crucial for it to push upwards. And if that strength can roll over into the 30-minute, we want to see this go from red to green, cross the midpoint, and start reflecting that strength to the upside, as this bull indicator has popped up and still has not been canceled by a bear indicator. As always, guys, once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.